I'm Ryan O'Neill. This is the first Screencast-O-Matic video. I'm talking about Carto Builder as an alternative to ArcGIS Online. Um, on the screen here is the map that I built with Carto Builder. It was fairly easy to build, adding layers um, in the same sort of way that you did for ArcGIS. You can add them from your library. You can upload them from your computer. You can search for them. Um, and so that was similar. And then styling the each layer was fairly similar. One thing I did like about Carto Builder was that you could see the changes that you were making in real time. Um, so as you change a color, it changes um, the color as you're doing it, um, which is a lot more convenient than having to hit save and then going back to look at the map like you had to do on ArcGIS Online. Another thing that was interesting that I don't have a lot of use for yet, but you can toggle this switch down here at the bottom in the lower left, um, and look at the cascading style sheet for um, everything that you're doing and make changes directly to the code instead of using the graphical interface. Um, the pricing for Carto Builder is 1639 per year or 149 per month. I don't know how that compares to ArcGIS Online because I don't know how much that is. Um, um, the widgets, there were widgets that were available. Um, I not You can click on the widgets here and click add a widget. Um, I don't really understand the widget screen yet. That would take more time than I put into making this map. Um, so that was not as intuitive as using ArcGIS Online. Um, I was able to upload shape files that were above a certain size. Then I ab- above of a certain size that I couldn't upload on ArcGIS Online. I don't know what the maximum was for ArcGIS Online, but there was a maximum, and I wasn't able to upload them in for Carto Builder. I It just took them. So that was great. I was able to build an app and then launch it um, for Carto Builder in the same way that I was for ArcGIS Online. Um, so generally, this product seems pretty easy to use, except for um, the widgets, which I mentioned. You have these really easy to use checkboxes for um, legends and so forth that are on the map. Um, so overall, it's a good product. I would recommend it. Although at 149 a month, it seems like a lot. I would recommend it if price weren't an option, I guess. Um, yeah, so that's it. And thank you.